Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to make kayaking fun. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaking is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and get some exercise, but it can also be a lot of fun. There are many different ways to make kayaking more enjoyable, and by following these tips, you can make sure that your next kayaking trip is one that you'll remember for years to come. The best way to make kayaking fun is to go on different excursions and adventures with your best partner per second. Want to find out more about how to make kayaking fun? In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, know the basics of kayaking. Number 2, know you are fit to kayak. Number 3, check for the most convenient water type to kayak on. Number 4, find a kayak route that is fun and challenging. Number 5, pre-plan some activities to do during the kayak trip and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.